Assalamu alaikum viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. This video we will talk about Tom and Jerry, which is one of the most iconic animated duos in television history, created by William Hanna and Joseph Barbera. First aired in 1940, the show has entertained generations with its slapstick humor and the never-ending chase between Tom the cat and Jerry the mouse. While many are familiar with their antics, there are some lesser known facts about this beloved show. Number 1. 7 Academy Awards. Tom and Jerry is one of the most awarded animated series in history, having won 7 Academy Awards for Best Animated Short Film. This places it alongside Disney's Silly Symphonies as one of the most celebrated cartoon series. Number 2. Tom and Jerry's original names. In the first cartoon released in 1940, titled Puss Gets the Boot, Tom was originally called Jasper and Jerry was referred to as an unnamed mouse. It wasn't until their second appearance that they became known as Tom and Jerry. Number 3. The animators' cameo. In several episodes, William Hanna and Joseph Barbera included themselves in animated form as background characters. This was their subtle way of inserting their influence into the show. Number 4. The silent era influence. The show's humor and physical comedy were heavily inspired by the silent film era, particularly the works of Charlie Chaplin and Buster Keaton. This is why the majority of Tom and Jerry episodes rely on visual gags and very little dialogue. Number 5. Censorship and controversy. Over the years, some Tom and Jerry episodes have been criticized for depicting racial stereotypes and excessive violence. As a result, some episodes have been edited or removed from circulation. Number 6. Different animation studios. Although Hanna and Barbera originally produced the series for MGM, after MGM closed its animated studio in 1957, other studios like Gene Ditch, Rambert Films, and Chuck Jones Production took over production. Each era of production gave Tom and Jerry a slightly different look and feel. Number 7. Tom occasional victories. While Jerry is usually the victor, Tom does occasionally win episodes like The Mouse Comes to Dinner and The $1,000,000 Cat Show. Tom outsmarting Jerry, proving that their rivalry isn't always one-sided. Tom and Jerry's international popularity. The show gained massive international popularity, particularly in countries where dialogue-heavy shows were hard to follow. Since Tom and Jerry relies heavily on visual gags, it transcended language barriers and became a global phenomenon. The episode Blue Cat Blues controversy. One of the darkest episodes in Tom and Jerry's history is Blue Cat Blues 1956, where Tom, heartbroken after losing his love interest to a wealthier cat, sits on the train tracks in despair. Many fans view this episode as unusually grim, and it was sparked debates about its emotional depth. Music is key. Music played a vital role in shaping the mood and timing of the show. Scott Bradley, the composer behind Tom and Jerry, masterfully synchronized the music with the action, creating a seamless blend of comedy and rhythm. His work elevated the slapstick humor to an art form. Voice actor for the duo. Even though Tom and Jerry rarely spoke, there were instances where they did. In the short Lonesome Mouse 1943, both characters talked. Tom's voice was provided by William Hanna himself in many episodes, who used simple sounds like grunts and screams, while other voice actors took over in later versions. Limited animation style in later episodes. When the production moved to the Gene Ditch era in the early 1960s, the animation style changed significantly. Ditch versions of Tom and Jerry are often considered more abstract, with a limited animation style that looked cheaper and gave the show a darker, surreal atmosphere. The spin-off shows and movies. Over the decades, the franchise expanded beyond the original short films. There have been several spin-offs, including Tom and Jerry Kids in the 1990s, a series where Tom and Jerry are portrayed as children. There have also been full-length films like Tom and Jerry, the movie 1992, and the 2021 live-action animated Tom and Jerry movie. An unexpected friendship. Despite their endless rivalry, there are several episodes where Tom and Jerry actually become friends or join forces against a common enemy. For example, in The Cat Concerto and Johann Mouse, they cooperate to achieve a shared goal. The cost of animation. Each Tom and Jerry episode in the early years cost around $50,000 to produce. While this may not seem like much by today's standard, it was a significant investment at that time, showing MGM's dedication to production high quality animation. While Tom and Jerry may seem like a simple cat and mouse chase, its history is rich with interesting details and behind the scenes facts that have contributed to its long lasting success. From Academy Awards to changing animation studios, the show has remained a classic that continues to entertain viewers around the world. The enduring charm of their rivalry and slapstick comedy is a testament to the genius of Hanna and Barbera. I hope you will like this video, so kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. We will meet in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.